Alright, guys, welcome back. And now, today, we are talking about important moment. We are going to create a spam detection system. Something that looks at a text message and decide whether it is a spam or not. No heavy theory, no scary math, no shortcuts. If you are a beginner, this video is designed exactly for you. Let me show you what we are going to do and build. Let's be very clear about the goal. We are building a simple spam detector. The input is text, email, messages, words, and the output is just one decision, spam or not spam. Now, look at this workflow on the right side. First, we take text data, but we already know something important. Machine don't understand English. So the next step is text to number. Then we train a machine learning model. And finally the model makes a prediction. That's the entire pipeline. Nothing special, just a clear process. Now let's stop talking more and actually build this in VS Code.
Alright, I have opened my VS Code and I am keeping everything clean and simple so you can follow easily. This is my project folder, Spam Detector ML, which you make a new folder. And this is where our main file, that is spamclassifier.py. I know that many people started with making lots of different .py files. Like they made first vectorization dot file, data dot file, and prediction .py. Matlab, they are making different files, but I'm here making in one file everything. That is spam classifier.py, so that you easily follow these things. No confusion. Everything we do today, we will be inside this one file. Okay? Now, I always start with writing what I am building now. Let's start. First, we have to comment that what we are doing so that when you revise that thing, then you know what you are going to do. And in latest VS, when you update your VS, then its auto-generated things are available now. So it's easy. And now what's about our project that is spam detection, right? Spam classifier or spam detector, spam and versus not spam detection. Okay, let's start. This helps keep the project clear. Machine learning always start with data, and what we are writing here, here's we are giving a input, like input, which is the data as text. That is, I'm writing here, win a free prize now, then meeting tomorrow, and then we can write claim your reward, let's have lunch on weekend, and then something congrats message, won lottery. Okay, got it. And here's the main thing, labels. Labels is nothing, but it's mean that what's the output we get from our input, like 1 and 0. 1 means for spam and 0 means not spam, and this is the output of what we get, and it is called supervised learning. I'll tell you in my further videos that what about supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement. Got it? Now, we are giving the machine examples and the correct answers for by the labels. And 1 means spam and 0 means not spam. Every ML project start exactly like this. And now we are going to vectorization, which I told you in my last video. Now comes a very important topic. and we have to use some libraries like uh, yeah, that is counter vectorizer. And I told you that what about counter vectorizer, which I told you in my second video. And we know that remember our last video that machine don't understand text, they understand numbers. So we are right here vectorizer, which split data into numbers, which is counter vectorizer. And then x is equal to vectorizer. That's our libraries actually, nothing that much else. Okay, okay, I got it. And next, this line is doing the translation. When we learn English, but we have to learn first grammar. That's why I'm here doing a vectorizer. Text is becoming numbers here. If you understand this step, machine learning becomes much easier. Train your model right now. Now next come to the topic, train our model from including some libraries. Dot linear model. Here we are using linear model and logistic regression. Uh, I'll tell you in next video if you need to know what about logistic regression and something. And now we use model, logistic regression and model fit. X labels which are output. The model is learning pattern from data. You don't need to understand the method. Just understand about the flow. And now let's test the model with a new message, that prediction. And this is the wow moment. When we do this, first we have to test text. Oh, sorry, test text. Okay. Now what we are doing, something like free money offer, something that is unrealistic, something which is make some spam and everything. And here we test data which put into free money offer. The model has never seen this message before. Prediction. This is the moment. And here's we are right that prediction. Prediction which is predict the about our input and make sure that what about the test right now, and they match something unusual. Got it? And prediction, what prediction doing? The machine is making a decision that one means spam and zero means not spam. Let's make the output human friendly. Something, you know, if prediction is equal to zero and something, okay, then print this is email is spam, and else print email is not spam. Here's we write that print if this email is spam, otherwise not spam. Now this feels like a real system. Now we actually run this file in your new terminal. Got it? And make sure you have to activate your environment first that we are using here. VNV slash script activate. And the environment if created, then here should be shown. Here's you can see that your environment is activate right now. And now we are going to no and we are going to run our file python. What what about your file name? Classifier.py. Classifier.py. And here's you can see the output that this email is spam because what we are put in our test text that free money offer, which is unusual. rather than our input. So it detects that these are not these these are spam. Okay, like here we can write anything, something that we can write that. Let's try to another in our test text. So we our module is detect that this is spam or not. Let me try something limited offer and claim claim your price. Let's try with again Python of copy paste कर लेते हैं. Okay, look at this. This email is spam. Let's try something else. Write like that. Uh, your something meeting meeting at 6 p.m. tomorrow. That you let's think that your change timing. Let's see. Look at this. Our machine learning module detect that this email is not spam. While when we put the thing that uh, y- limited offer, claim now this price, something else, that detect that this email is spam. Here's that main thing that and the model may be wrong sometimes. That's normal, but we will learn the main thing that accuracy is main thing. If this worked on your screen, take a second and appreciate this. You didn't just watch machine learning, you built it. This module is simple, but yes, this is your exactly kickstart. Let's meet next video. Bye bye.